Okay guys, here is version number 1 to see what you guys think of the layout. I just took what some of the sketches that you had and dropped it into the computer. So plan view, just looking straight down. I've got a sink right here for cabinet number 1 and 5 just to get them separated so you're not too close. And then number 15 and 16 would be computer monitors. So there's enough room if somebody's working in the sink that they're not bumping elbows with anybody on the computer. So our big run of cabinets here let's hide this wall. It's a little difficult to see with that angle. So this large run of cabinets, same size as what you have. The countertop would be at 42 inches, which is standard. I know you said 40, but we can work that out. And an overhang on the back. Computer station, computer station, computer station. I think it's going to be cleaner just to keep the countertop all at the same level instead of dropping down. And we could build this to have a keyboard tray below or a keyboard tray to sit on the countertop here. But drawers, these base cabinets are 24 inches deep, which I think we need to keep just for strength, because if we go any shallower, I know there's some notes here, 14-inch deep recessed shelving. But if we get this tall cabinet any shallower, we just need a wide base for structural purposes. Open shelving, so the inside of this would be all the plastic laminate material that you choose, that perhaps blue color, and all adjustable shelving. Corner Lazy Susan cabinet in the corner just to make use of that. And again here, these two are computer monitor stations. If you do need 2 for the water lab area. Sink, and I've got to put this wall back in here. Sink cabinet, drawer stack, Lazy Susan, and another sink cabinet right here. And the back of all this would be the that same color, just panels of that material on there. So let me know what you think of this. If this is a good start, or if you have some edits, let me know and I can price this out. Thanks guys.